Hi guys, today we're gonna learn how to make chicken fried rice. Here I have 200 grams of chicken. You can either use chicken breast or chicken thighs. Firstly, cut the chicken into small pieces or thinly slice it. It will make it easier for stir fry. Then marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix well and marinate for 15 minutes. Heat up the wok or frying pan, add some oil, then add the chicken and cook it in medium heat. Cook one side of the chicken for about 1 minute first. Do not use high heat, otherwise the surface of the chicken will get burnt while inside are not cooked. Cook until the chicken is 90% done. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Then set aside. In the same wok, add a little bit more oil and then add the vegetables. You can cook any kinds of vegetables or you can simply skip it. Just make sure the vegetables is cut into small pieces for easy stir fry. The reason we cook the chicken and vegetables differently because the cooking time is different. It just takes about 1 minute to cook the vegetables. Then set aside. Heat up the wok in high heat, then add 2 eggs. Once the egg is half cooked, then add the rice. You can use any kind of rice. My favorite is Thai jasmine rice. Stir fry the rice with the egg and make sure the egg is coated on the rice. You can either use leftover rice or fresh rice, it doesn't matter. After that, add the chicken and the vegetables. Quickly stir fry for about 30 seconds. Then add about 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Combine well. And a pinch of salt. Combine well, which takes about 30 seconds. Then this is done and you can transfer it to the serving plate. Straightforward, easy and simple recipe, and it is really delicious. It's a perfect recipe during this lockdown period. Enjoy!